She boarded the flight like any other day, expecting a routine journey from one city to another. Aisle seat, headphones in, maybe a nap, maybe a movie. Nothing unusual, but fate had other plans that would turn a simple act of kindness into a life-altering moment neither she nor anyone else on that plane would forget. As the passengers filed in, she noticed a father struggling to juggle a squirming baby, a diaper bag, and a carry-on. His face looked weary, and the infant was already fussing. They were assigned a middle seat several rows behind her. It was clear he was in for a tough flight. She didn't think twice. She stood up, approached the man, and offered her seat near the front, a more comfortable spot with extra room and easier access to the bathroom. He hesitated, taken aback by her generosity, but gratefully accepted. As she settled into his original seat further back, she figured she'd done a small good deed for the day. But what happened next was beyond anything she imagined. About an hour into the flight, the man returned to speak with her. He looked calmer now, the baby sleeping on his chest. He thanked her again and said he hadn't had a break in weeks. His wife had passed away unexpectedly just a month before. He was flying to introduce their daughter to her grandparents for the first time, and he was doing it all alone. Her heart sank. She hadn't expected such a tragic story behind his tired eyes. They talked for a while, quietly, as the other passengers dozed or watched movies. She learned his name was Ryan, and his baby girl was named Lily. He shared stories of his wife, how they'd met, their plans, and how her sudden illness changed everything. There was something deeply human in his vulnerability. In that moment, two strangers bonded over the shared unpredictability of life. After the flight landed, they exchanged numbers, just to keep in touch. She wanted to make sure he was okay. What started as occasional check-ins quickly became more frequent. Texts turned into phone calls, and those phone calls turned into video chats. They found comfort in each other. She provided support, and he, in return, opened up a part of his world to her that was healing, raw, and full of love. Months passed. Then came the day he invited her to visit. She met Lily again, now crawling and giggling. It wasn't long before that visit became another, and another. What began with a simple gesture on a plane evolved into a deep friendship, and eventually, something more. They never expected it. Neither was looking for love, especially not in such strange circumstances. But love has a way of finding people when they least expect it. Through long walks, shared meals, and baby giggles, something unspoken grew between them. Trust, care, and the kind of connection that doesn't need to be rushed. Eventually, they found themselves building a life together. She, once a stranger, became a cherished part of Lily's world. Her kindness that day on the plane rippled outward, transforming not just one flight, but 3 lives. The story quickly went viral after a fellow passenger who witnessed the seat exchange shared it online. People were inspired by the reminder that small acts of kindness still matter, that compassion can have powerful, unexpected outcomes. What makes this story so remarkable isn't just the emotional arc or the romantic twist. It's the reality that one selfless decision, one seat change, one moment of stepping outside oneself, can spark a chain reaction with incredible consequences. She didn't do it expecting recognition or reward. She did it because it felt like the right thing to do. And in that single act, the trajectory of multiple lives changed. It's easy to underestimate how powerful we all are in the lives of strangers. Every day, we have the opportunity to show up in someone else's story, not as the main character, but maybe as the turning point. A choice to be kind, to help, or simply to listen can set a new course in motion. So next time you're faced with a choice to lend a hand, give up a seat, or show a little patience, remember this story. Because sometimes, everything changes when you do.